Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn what is inner class in Java, how many types of inner class are there, and how we can create all such type of inner classes one by one with a simple example we are going to understand in this video. So question is, what is inner class? So inner class is a class inside another class. Simple example. Inner class is a class inside another class. A class within a class. We can say the class within a class. A class within a class is also called inner class. Now types of inner class. So we have normal or regular inner class, second one we have local inner class, third one we have anonymous inner class, and then we have the static inner class. So these are the four types of inner classes in Java. So in this video we are going to learn regular or normal inner class. In other videos one by one we will see local, anonymous and static inner classes. So for that we have a Eclipse ID here. In this Eclipse ID I have a package inner class. Inside this I have a class outer. We have a public static void main also. So under this class I will create a class and I say inner class. Under this class I have a method, I say display. So under this I have a message, I say inner class, or I say inside inner class, like this. Now I have this one, and now question rise, this is inner class. Now how I can create an object of this inner class and create this function? Remember that if I try to create, I say inner class capital, if I try to create an object of this class like this and I try to access this function, so it will generate error. Remember that I try to access and it will generate an error. Error is unresolved compilation problem. No enclosing instance of outer is accessible. Must qualify the allocation for this. Remember that this is an inner class. This inner class is only possible if we have an object of outer class. Remember that because this outer class object, the instance, have inner class as a instance class. Remember. So we are not able to create a direct object of inner class as we create a object of a normal class, because it's an inner class. It is only exist in a memory if we have a object of outer class. Remember that. So how we can access it? So first of all I have to create the object of outer class like this. Remember, now with the help of outer class object I can create this class object. Remember that with the help of only outer class object, outer class dot new, I can create the object of this class. Now I try to execute and try that it is possible to run. You see, we are able to run it inside inner class. So I am only able to run this because of this, Remember, if the outer class object is there, then only I can call it. Now, can I do it one single line? Yes, I can do it single line also. So how? So I make it comment first of all, and I say here that inner I equal to new outer dot new inner. Remember, new outer dot new inner. Directly I can give this and I try to run it. So simple. I can create it. Now, if I have another inner class inside a class, means we have a nested inner class, I say inner one class like this, and inside this I have the method display, and I say inner class, I can nested inner class. Remember, so now this is a class that is inside a class, it's a nested inner class. Now how I can access or create an object of this? So remember that I say inner one, and I say I equal to new, and I say outer dot new. Remember, then I say inner dot new, then I say inner one, like this. Remember, I am trying to create the object of this, and this is inside what? This is inside the inner class. So what I do, I should give inner dot inner one, like this, and then I call II dot display, save it and try to run it. We have this also running it. Remember that. So how we are accessing it? Like this, we can create a nested inner class also. So this is the way to create a inner class in Java. Now, can we have the inner class as a private? Try to make it private. We have a private inner class, save it and try to run it once again. There is any change? Yes, we have a private inner class also. Remember that we have a private inner class. Can we have a protected? Yes, we have the protected also. Try to execute it. Yes, we are doing wonderful, no problem. So we have private class also, we have a protected class also, we have a static class also. So we will see static as a separate video because that is a special type of class. So a regular class may be of private, we have the protected, and we have a special case of static class also. So see this, how to create. And if we have a variable here and I say this value is 10, we have another variable of a static type and I say sx equal to 100. This is a static type. Remember that, a static variable. So can I access a static variable inside this? Try to do. I say x semicolon, again I try to execute with sx as a static variable. Try to execute and check whether we are able to do this. Yes, we can do static variable also inside a inner class. But remember that normally if you run a static variable, it give a warning that static variable is only used inside a static function. But this is not a static function. So can we use this here also? Try to save and execute it. Yes, we can do inside a nested class also. No problem at all. You see, save it and run once again. Now, one more thing. If we have the same variable of int type, here we have a 100 value. So if I access it, the value would be, now I say it's 1000. So value would be of 1000, not 10. Remember that, because by x it will access only the instance variable of inner class. But I want to call this function, I want to use this value, this variable I want to access. How I can access? If I say this dot x, this means this current object x, remember that it is still 1000. How I can access this? I can access this, try to access it, outer dot x. Can I do this? Not at all. I am not able to do this. So how I can access it? I am not able to do this. If I say I can do this, yes, I can do this. Run it, we have a 10. So I can do this because we have to create an object of this. So you seen that we can access this variable, the outer class variable, by creating an object of this class, and then we can access. But this is not the right way to do this. Remember that, because we are creating a new object and I don't want to use like this. I want with the help of the same object which we are passing. But if I am trying to execute with this name, so it's not possible. If I am using this, we have seen earlier also, if I am using this, so it accessing this one, because this is a current object and inner object is the current object to access this. So how we can access this one? That is the question. So we can access this one like this. We say outer dot this. Remember, outer dot this and then x. So same object which we are using here, that this means this instance is of outer class, then it will be as a 10. Same I can do here again in this nested class also. If I do, and I can access it like this. Remember that. So like this we may use or create inner class, nested inner class in Java. This way we can create the object of inner classes. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In next video we will see how we can use or create local inner classes, anonymous inner classes and static inner classes. Thank you for watching this video.